This is different, bro. This is a different kind of video, Cari crew. Y'all hit that like button, man. Oh my Lord. It was a cul-de-sac. If it wasn't nobody's house right here, I might, Cari crew, should I do it? One little whip around, bro.
Damage.
Everybody wanna be hard. Wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun. Call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft. Can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up. When they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car ain't stunning. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, man. But hey, man, I said I was gonna do this. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got the last video to a certain amount of likes, but at the same time, somebody had come in and they were like, man, if you do that, I think you should go ahead and do it, cause you know what I'm saying? That's different. As y'all can see, let's peep the scenery. As y'all can see, man. As y'all can see, we got. Y'all see, we got, you know, it's a nice, lovely neighborhood, man. You know what I'm saying? We got a nice little neighborhood over here, man. And y'all know what I'm here to do. You feel me? Y'all know what I'm here to do. Cari crew. Y'all know what I'm here to do, man. Hold on. Y'all know what I'm here to do, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. We'll be drifting every turn, man, in a rich neighborhood, aka Cari neighborhood. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how that get. Y'all know how they get, man. Neighbors outside, they probably like, man, oh, it's okay, dang, it's a dead, I'm messing up already. But yeah, Cari crew, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. If you're new, turn on post notification bell, like I said, so you won't miss another banger from your boy. Turn the post notifications on, man. It'll let you know every time I post anything, you know what I'm saying? It'll let you know when I post anything, Cari crew. I ain't gonna hit this turn, Cause later right there. But I gotta hit one good turn for y'all though, bro. I'm gonna hit like 1 or 2, bro. I ain't gonna go too crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I am nervous, Cari crew. This is different, bro. This is a different kind of video, Cari crew. Y'all hit that like button, man. Y'all hit that like button, bro. Y'all see what kind of neighborhood I'm in, bro. This ain't the neighborhood for that. This is not the neighborhood for that, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy. Oh, I wanna hit that bitch so bad. It's a dude right there. I'm sorry, Cari crew, bro. Y'all gotta understand, this not GTA, bro. This real life, bro. I hit 1. I gotta do at least 3, bro. I gotta do at least 3, bro. I gotta do at least 3, Cari crew. Don't count me out, bro. Don't count me out, bro. Y'all don't understand what kind of pressure I'm on, bro. Look at the neighborhood, man. Look how extravagant the neighborhood is, man. Look how extravagant that mug is, man. I'm talking about nice houses on every block. Ain't not one house not nice, you know what I'm saying? Ain't one house not nice. How I end up back at the end? I'm gonna let this dude go by. I gotta get y'all some corners, bro. I gotta get y'all boys a corner or 2. Cari crew, this is crazy. Cari crew, bro. I think I'm becoming a YouTuber for real, bro. Cause bro, I just came through here already. But y'all like, bro, ain't that neighborhood ain't big enough. I went to the wrong hood, bro. This Cari hood ain't big enough, bro. For Olivia and everybody else. Look at this guy. But yeah, Cari crew, man, I'm trying something different, man. Y'all just respect the grind, respect the hustle, respect the idea, you know what I'm saying? Respect all that, you feel me? Cause who doing this, bro? Let's be real. That girl chasing the dog. You know what I'm saying? Who doing it, bro? Let's be real. Let's be real, bro. Hey, man, I gotta go to another hood, cuz. This hood too little. It's too little, Cari crew. It been too little, bro. Damn. I'm trying to do different stuff, man. I'm trying to do different stuff, Cari crew, man. Y'all boy, hold on, man. But y'all know I gotta hit that bit right here, though. This ain't no neighborhood. This ain't no neighborhood, Cari crew. I messed up on that one, I ain't gonna lie. I messed up on that one a little bit, Cari crew, I ain't gonna lie. I was supposed to really, you know what I'm saying? I was supposed to really get sticky with it, you know what I'm saying? Good Lord. How that mother look? We look good, we straight. Stick 'em. Dang, I messed it up, man. We're gonna go to another hood, though. Y'all don't, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go to another hood. I ain't gonna go too crazy, though. I'm gonna give y'all like 2 more turns, bro. I'm gonna give y'all 2 more, bro. I miss doing this, I ain't gonna lie, Cari crew. I miss turning up for the game, man. I miss turning up for the crew, man. I miss turning up for the crew. It's like a big, nice neighborhood right here to my left. I'm in my right. I'm tripping. Make sure y'all stay in school, bro. The neighborhood probably ain't that big either. They better have some turns in that motherfucker. They better have some turns in that motherfucker. This neighborhood might be nicer, boy. Goodness. Hey, boy, what y'all do for a living, man? What y'all boy do for a living, man? Everybody got their own front yard. Damn. Come on, man. It's like bruh. What is this, bro? Like, what really going on, bro? Oh, my Lord. It was a cul-de-sac. If you want nobody house right here, I might, Cari crew, should I do it? One little whip around, bro. And it's a dude right here. He's like, what the hell? I ain't did that in so long, Cari crew. Bro, I do that joint with ease, not Cari crew. Cari crew, I really do that joint with ease now, bro. I'm really, bro. I just don't, bro. Y'all boy, man, I'm telling y'all, bro. What the hell? That white dude said, hey, let me get out of here, bro. I've been here for 2 minutes. That white dude said, hey, I ain't even by this nigga house, bro. How you gonna get mad and I ain't even by your crib, bro? That's crazy. That nigga said, hey. Man, see, Cari crew, bro, that's crazy, bro. Male Karen, bro. Dang, I was in the wrong gear. Yeah, boys, a little. I was spinning too. I was spinning bad. But Cari crew, man, this video might be cut short. Y'all saw that, brother, man? I don't know if y'all heard it. I hope y'all heard it, bro. That nigga said, hey. It was an older white dude, bro. What he was gonna say? Like, what was you gonna say, bro? I was in the neighborhood for 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Check the timestamp. I was in that bit for 20 seconds, bro. And that nigga already talking about some, hey. Yeah, I had to get up out of there, bro. Lord don't do it for y'all, bro. Olivia ain't been in that bitch for 20 seconds. 20 seconds, bro. Bro, already on my case, bro. Already. Crazy. Crazy car crew, crazy. I gotta get a better one, you know what I'm saying? That kind of a hard video to pull off with no, like, you know what I'm saying, with no commotion, you feel me? Like, I ain't gonna lie, it is. But if y'all get this video to like 200 likes, you know what I'm saying, I'll do it again, you know what I'm saying? And then 300 likes, I'll do it again. 400 likes, I'll do it. Come on now. Y'all know how they work. You give, you know what I'm saying? You give, you receive. You feel me? You give, you receive. You know what I'm saying? That's how they work. I'm gonna give y'all a little back roll action though. You know what I'm saying? It's traffic too though. I wanna give y'all a little back roll action, bro. Oh, these niggas ain't coming that way. One more. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Stick 'em. Good Lord. Good Lord, man. I got another nice little neighborhood right there. Old boy had me spooked a little bit. He said, hey, well, that sound like Django, boy. And I heard that, boy. Man said, hey, walking across the yard with a button-up shirt and it open. Come on, man. Big on a collar shirt, polo shirt with it open. 3 buttons, and they be open. Excuse me, sir. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, car crew, man, I just want to give y'all boys something quick. This video shorter than I thought it was going to be, but I'm going to give y'all some pull, little Forza action. Y'all boys let me know if y'all like that, you know what I'm saying? Y'all like that Forza, you feel me? Like that Forza vibe. I was going to name a POV off of, like, you know what I'm saying? Forza. Like a Forza vibe, you feel me? But then I was like, people gonna think it's a video game, they ain't gonna think it's me. So that's why I was just like, probably not. Probably not. But yeah, man, I don't know, what's down here? I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know what's down there, I ain't gonna lie. I just want to give y'all boys something sluzzite, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, bro, I'm downshifts. I'm downshifts crazy car crew. I hope that must still recording. I think it is. My watch had froze, I don't know. But yeah, man. But yeah, this video kind of spur of the moment. I ain't gonna lie. It was a spur of the moment. It was the last split decision if I was gonna actually go through with that or not, or just give y'all a POV like this, but you know what I'm saying, still cutting up. But I gotta give y'all these bangers, man. I gotta give y'all this flavor, you know what I'm saying? These niggas that do POV ain't doing POV like these, bro. You know what I'm saying? Salute all my POV brothers. You know what I'm saying? We all in this together. We all in this to eat, you feel me? But ain't nobody doing it like Cari, bro. Humbly speaking, bro. Ain't nobody doing it like me, though. You know what I'm saying? Nobody ain't doing it like your boy, eh? Nobody ain't doing it like your boy, man. But hey, man, that gonna probably be a wrap, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? That gonna be a wrap. Real quick, something slight, man. Quick little video. I know y'all want no video too long, so I ain't gonna get y'all the video that's too long, you feel me? Unless y'all comment down below that y'all want longer video. Ooh, y'all want longer video, you know what I'm saying? And we can do that. But yeah, car crew, man, I just want to tap in with y'all boys, man, you know what I'm saying? Hit y'all boy with something a little different, man. Drifting every turn in a rich neighborhood / Karen neighborhood. As y'all can see, we had a male Karen on Olivia case already, and I just did a U-turn. I wasn't even in it. It wasn't but one way in, one way out. You know what I'm saying? I just did a little U-turn, you feel me? So, I don't know. But hey, man, make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me, you feel me? And yeah, like I also say, man, at the end of my videos, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, car crew. To believe in yourself, keep that faith. You know what I'm saying? And also, man, is that 12? But that's Georgia, bro. That's State Patrol in a Chally. That's crazy. With no the decal black. I don't even want to ride that way. I ain't gonna even lie. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. Something in my gut telling me not to go. I ain't even doing it. You got it, folks. Y'all see him. He got it. You got it, my boy. You not finna get me. You not finna play me, man. But yeah, man. Anyway, like y'all said, y'all seen the folk. But look, man. Like I was saying, man, you know what I'm saying? The sky's the limit. You can touch a car crew, man. Y'all make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying? Stay down, man. Your time coming. Whatever you're working for, just don't give up. And keep God first and keep him in the mix. I know it's hard, you know what I'm saying? I know it's hard to, you know, try to stay grounded to the T, but you know what I'm saying? We ain't perfect. So y'all boys just stay down, man. Stay down, stay humble, stay hungry, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? And like I also say, man, at the end of my videos, oh, my fault. Well, I already said about the religious, my bad, car. Cause my mind all over the place, man. Karen got me tripping, bro. You know what I'm saying? He had me a little tripping. I ain't think nobody was gonna yell when I was out that bitch, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, y'all just hit that like button, like I say. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. And like I also say at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.
Why these niggas watching me, they think that I ain't gon' notice. Mind been on this money, so that mean I'm way too focused. Thoughts been getting heavy, putting pressure on my shoulder.